Welcome to Dano Does Things. I'm Dano. Here on my channel, I showcase one of my biggest hobbies, arts and crafts, but my other biggest hobby is video games. I am beyond excited for the upcoming release of Animal Crossing: New Horizons. I've been playing since the GameCube game was released almost 20 years ago and have been obsessed ever since. The adorable green frog named Lily was my favorite villager in my city folk town, so to waste time before the new game comes out, I wanted to paint her a little tribute. Watercolor can get really complicated when you start blending and layering colors, but I want to show how keeping things simple can be effective too. The majority of this painting will be done with single colors with just a little white added to the sky and to the clouds. With watercolors, you can really adjust what a color looks like by adding more or less water. For example, Lily's cheeks are a cute pink color. The paint I'm using is crimson, and is in fact a very dark red when you look at it in the pan or just straight out of the tube. But by mixing just a touch of paint with a lot of water, we get this beautiful rosy tone. Here I'm wetting the area of the paper that I want to be blue so that when I lay down my blue paint, it'll spread easily and result in a very soft wash of color. For the shadows, I am using the exact same black paint as I did for the eyes and mouth, except way more watered down. This allows for the color that is already painted and dried to still show through. Now Lily likes the rain, so we'll paint a few rain clouds coming in. I also wanted to add them because I'm still trying to work on my painting cloud techniques. They're definitely a tricky subject. Now just a few touch-ups to fill in the white space between the colors now that things are more dry and less likely to bleed together. Thank you for watching. Let me know what villager you are most looking forward to seeing in New Horizons, and please subscribe to Dano Does Things.